Good morning, pre-K. Happy Tuesday. I'm so happy to be here and see your faces. Well, I know that you're there watching me, so I can picture your faces. And for you to see my face. And I just wanted to tell you how much I missed you and how proud I am. Before we start all this work, I just want to say how proud I am that you guys have been doing so well at home with this learning. All the work that your parents are sending me, you're doing such a fabulous job, and I'm so proud of you that you're continuing your learning and your pre-K experience at home with your family. And while the plant unit, we love to do it in school, this is also a good unit that you could do with your family when you go out on walks and you are having some exercise with your family. Pick out the plants that you see in nature. See the trees or the leaves, the grass on the ground, the little flowers that are coming up through the concrete. Pay attention to those things because that's also learning while you're spending time with your family. So let's get to what we're going to learn today. Oh, almost forgot. Let's start with our hug. Reach out. And hug. Let all your friends in. Give them a hug. I miss you. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. The weather today will be sunny. Finally, some sun. It's supposed to be in the high 50s, so that's a little chilly, but a lot warmer than we've seen it. And the good news is the sun is good for, let me hear you. What needs sun to grow? Plants, you're right. And today we're going to be learning a new plant song. So if you follow along with me, I'm going to teach it to you. Ready? Your listening ears on? 5 little flowers growing in a row. The first one said, "I'm purple, you know." The second one said, "I'm pink as can be." The third one said, "I'm blue like the sea." The fourth one said, "I'm a very red fellow." And the fifth one said, "My color is yellow." Then out came the big bright sun, and the 5 little flowers smiled in delight. Now you could do it even a funny way and try to make all the flowers say their colors in a funny way. So let's try that again. 5 little flowers sitting in a row. The first one said, "I'm purple, you know." The second one said, "I'm pink as can be." The third one said, "I'm blue like the sea." The fourth one said, "I'm a very red fellow." And the fifth one said, "My color is yellow." Then out came the sun, big and bright, the big strong sun, and 5 little flowers smiled in delight. So that's our new plant song. So we have 2 activities for you to do during the week. Now this is going to be something you do with your families and by yourself. So your first activity for the week is to track what types of plants or plant parts you eat during this week. It could be roots, stems, or leaves. Now you may be thinking, I don't eat roots of plants. Well, if you eat carrots or sweet potatoes, those are the roots of plants. If you're thinking, I don't eat leaves of plants, if you eat lettuce, that's a leaf. You may be thinking, I don't eat seeds. Have you ever eaten a pumpkin seed? And you may be thinking, I don't eat stems. What about celery? Celery is a stem. So you're going to make a little chart. You can write this on paper. And you're going to put plants I ate this week and plant parts. And for every plant or plant part that you eat, you're going to write it down and keep track of it. And you're going to send it to us. The second activity is really, really fun. And as we know in pre-K, we use a lot of materials that are recycled or used for another purpose. And then instead of throwing them out, we use them to create something differently. Like when we use our paper towel holders, the cardboard paper towel rolls, the toilet paper towel rolls, pieces of wood, milk cartons, egg cartons, old boxes of tissues, all the things that we find in our classroom to use for creative projects. You're going to do something similar, and you're going to make a 3D plant, which means it's going to pop up out of the paper, and you're not going to draw it, you're going to make it out of something. With items around your home, so toys, if you can find, like if you have a Lego you want to make a stem out of, or, and Miss Mom would like to see you do this. Make a 3D plant out of recycle and cleaned objects that you have around your house. So you could make a stem out of a paper towel roll, and the leaves out of old paper that you were going to throw out. And then you could make the roots out of maybe like a milk jug or something, or an egg carton. I am so excited to see what you come up with. And I know you're all very creative, and we can't wait to see what you do. Have a good week. We'll see you soon.